Hi everybody, Andrew from CDC Laser. We're here to demonstrate the guard, the freestanding DIY kit. So you get 2 uprights and 6mm clear acrylic, 1 back guard and a pack of lollies to keep you happy, double-sided tape and a cleaning cloth. So first things first, easy to peel the protected coating off of the acrylic. Once you've removed all the coating, then you've got to remove the coating off the guard as well. These 2 pieces slide together without any need for glues. Okay, so then you stands up there very firm. We come with double-sided tape. All you need is to remove the double-sided tape from the bag, a couple of pieces on each corner, and that will hold it in place. That's the end of the video. Thank you.